Hey, what up? As you can see, even though they pork steaks, to me they still steaks, and I like them tender. So this is a good tool too. Very good tool. Just kind of beat them up a little bit. It ain't gonna hurt them. They still a form of steak, and I want my meat tender. Okay. Now I trimmed off a lot of the fat, but some with the meat in it like that. See that? I like to say that because I'm gonna fry that because I'm gonna make some cabbage or string beans, but I think I'm gonna make the cabbage with this. So y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna get back with y'all how I'm gonna season this up. Okay, as you can see, I got my black pepper. Slap your mama. Oh yeah, I use that. Onion powder, and that's garlic powder and paprika. So we're gonna go and season these up real good and get them ready. Yeah, I put my little onion powder on, and especially like with certain meat, like especially pork. Pork is already salty, so you don't want to overdo that. Plus, I don't know if I'll make some gravy. I don't know if I'll make some gravy. I don't know. Right now, I'm playing about. Yeah, I know. I'm getting hungry. And see, like, cook your food early, man. Like, you guys love football and all that. Cook your food early, man. That's what old people, that's how I learned. My dad used to get up early, cook our food, he can go bullshit the rest of the day. No, he's a good dad now. I ain't taking that from him. I was raised by my dad. So, yeah, he took care of his kids, and then he went on and had them a little fun. Okay, we're going to season that. They seasoned, then I'm going to put these on a plate. If I can wash this board and get my veggies ready to go into the pan, and we're going to get back with y'all on that one too. Okay, as you can see, got my garlic here. I like smash. Some people, you can get that tool. I got that tool too, but I really don't like it. This is just better than if I wanted mixed garlic, I just buy mixed garlic. I just like to get it from the real McCoy. It's just like shampoo and stuff like that. Oh, it's got olive oil. Just get some olive oil. Shit. Why would you go around the original stuff? Oh, this got baking soda in it. Why start using baking soda? This got vinegar in it. I'd rather just go straight and get what I need, than to be messing around with a lot of other processed stuff. Probably don't even have the stuff in it that it said it's in there. Yep. Probably ain't even got the stuff in there. Yeah, I like that. Certain stuff I like to just get on down there and get it real fine. Like I like it. Now, these I don't have to have big because I'm using them mostly for flavor. Even the onions, I'm just using for flavor. I ain't got to dice them. Because, like I was telling y'all before, see, these peppers I had with some steak fajitas and chicken and stuff. Don't let them sit around there because they are excellent flavor for all foods, okay? I'm going to get these pork steaks. Pan on right quick. Get it going. Put it on about 350. I'm putting about 430. Let that heat. We're going to let that all heat up for a minute. Okay, yeah. We got the pork steak in there. We sharing it real cool. And gonna share this share it. I'm sorry. We're gonna share this and watch these pork steaks. As you can see, I done put them in there. I'm gonna turn that heat down a little bit on them. Yeah, we're gonna turn these over, see what they're looking like. I got these cold shearing a little bit. By this pork, I'm gonna do my thing. Put me a little butter in there. Then put my veggies in there, let them shear and keep it. This gonna take a little minute, y'all, because we're gonna have to put a little chicken broth. Just watch me do my thing. You cooking with the rock, baby. Making it look easy but good. Oh yeah. Yeah, let that fat come on and cook out of there. There. That's how we gonna do it, y'all. Yeah, we gonna do it. Now it's time to come on and bring the veggies up in there. Yeah, you wanna bring them veggies on up in there. Get them on up in there. Best way you can. Just get them on up in there. Get them on up in there. Up and around, baby. Off and on, like my mama used to say. We gonna turn this down a little bit. Get us a little butter. Bam, like my boy Garvey used to say. Oh yeah, throw last this little soy. This is teriyaki. Throw a little teriyaki in there. Throw a little teriyaki in there. And you always gotta put a little pepper in there. Give it a little spice. Ain't nothing like a little spice. I usually do a little soy sauce, but I don't know if I got some. Oh yeah, I got a little soy sauce, y'all. Put a little soy sauce in it, that's all. Then I'm gonna show you how we gonna turn this out and get that gravy going. Hey, what up, y'all? This your boy Cooking with the Rock. You know, everybody gotta eat. Quit being lazy, spending your money, and most of the stuff they give you, even in the stores, ain't that good for you. So I try to motivate people that it's very easy. You see how I prepare the veggies and stuff, and you just get everything going, and it all comes together, baby. I'm always trying to make it look easy, but good. Cooking with the Rock, y'all. Get back with you. As you can see, it's coming along like I like. And you know me, with chicken or anything, veggies or anything that's got to be turned over a lot, I like to use two things because I have more control of whatever I'm messing with. I'm going to cut this up a little bit. I'm going to cut this steak up so it can lay properly and I can manipulate and do what I need to do with it. Yeah, see, you got to pork steak because you want that fat to render down and cook real good, you know. Oh yeah, that's what you want. Get these in nice pieces where you can control it, you know. It's smelling so good too. See? Sometimes I take it on out there and get that old bone out the way. You know, get that old bone out the way. Like them women do. They gonna get them bones on out the way so they can get out there in the street and get the bullshit. You gonna get that old bone out the way. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm doing. You can see I done got that big old bone out of there, you know. See, this gonna take a minute. You ain't rushing. Now, when you cooking with me, you ain't rushing. Ain't nothing. And like I told you fellas, cooking is a part of, I don't like to say it on TV, but it is part of being a player, man. Because you can cook good food, make a woman laugh, you're going to be all right, boy. This your boy Cooking with the Rock, kicking it with you real. As you can see, you know, when I got it. Got on 320, right? I'm going to go and reduce that heat. Going to reduce that heat. And here's how we going to do this flour. Hey, you see it's coming along this fine. And you see the temperature about 320. I'm going to reduce this heat so we can get ready for this easy but good gravy. Yeah, I'm going to turn it down about 250. Because I'm going there and see what these lions doing. They came on at 4. Okay, we're going to just, like I told you, this is easy gravy here. This is easy. You just sprinkle you some all over the meat. This, you're going to have to do this twice. You're going to have to do this again. So we're going to let that go ahead and go. Put your top on it, dog. And we're going to go ahead and see what the lion's doing. This your boy Cooking with the Rock. On this Sunday, you know, I'm always cooking and taking care of myself, and I'm loving life. Y'all be good. This your boy. We're going to come back, let this simmer down. Okay. We're going to check on it. And it's just simmering, but I want to turn it up because I do want to watch this game, but I'm going to show you how to do this. You see that? See how it's starting to, this is the good part. See, it's starting to do its thing, baby boy. This is where all the good stuff come in at, you know? This is down to the good part. Today's Sunday, watching the game, my old lady at work, and I want her to have some good shit when she come in, see? Now we're going to take another round. See, this is very important to the game right here, guys. It's very important to the game. This is your second flour. And that's all you're going to need. Yes. Okay. This your second flour. That's it. You're going to let it do its thing and listen to it. That's what you call good eating now. See, and this what I mean. This for people that don't know how to make gravy, but they know their grandmama used to make it, their mama made it. This is easy for you young college student. My son. Because, hey, when you can make a woman laugh and cook her ass a good meal, you gonna get some pussy. You can see it's coming along pretty good. I turned it over. I put it down like 210 because I want it to go on and simmer and chill on out, because you don't rush food like this. Go and smoke your weed, drink your beer, watch the football game. I'm gonna go and prepare this cabbage up for y'all.